In this lesson, we're going to talk about what exactly is data federation. Now, to understand that, we need to first go back to the idea of the iTwin. We talked about how the iTwin is a collection of data sources. Some of these data sources are hosted by the iTwin platform, and then we can connect our iTwin to outside data sources using data federation. So let's understand that better. Now, the first thing that we need to know is that the data stored in the iTwin platform is the foundational data of an asset. It typically represents the infrastructure asset physically. It could be in the form of reality data, GIS data if the asset is geolocated, or design data as in the case of our house model. Once this foundational data is in place, we can start federating new data sources to our iTwin. For example, in the case of the house model, we'll be adding a smart device database that keeps track of the states of the smart devices inside the house. And there's no limit to how many data sources we can federate or add to an iTwin. For example, in the case of the wind farm demo that we saw previously, we added 3 different data sources to the iTwin. A time series data source for past energy production of the wind farm, present energy production, and also a machine learning algorithm for future energy production. In this way, our digital twin is not a static entity, but one that we can constantly grow and evolve by federating new data sources. We can think of our digital twin as a tree. The trunk of the tree represents the foundational data that's stored in the iTwin platform. And from this data, we can grow out new branches using data federation. For example, the past, present, and future energy production of the wind farm. When we combine this federated data with the data in the iTwin, we get our complete digital twin tree, one that we can grow, evolve, and nurture by adding new data connections. Now, in the case of the house model, the design data that we got from our DGN file that's now in the iTwin forms the foundational data. It's at the trunk of the tree. And we're going to grow a new branch here by adding a data connection to a smart device database that keeps track of the states of the smart devices inside the house. In the next lesson, we're going to look into the smart device database so we can understand its data better.